In this video, I am going to show you 8 simple steps that will help you start a YouTube channel. Number 1, choose a topic. My suggestion is to choose a niche that is also a hobby, and that way you won't get bored with what you're doing and you won't be one of those people that's just trying to follow a trend, because eventually it's going to burn out. You're going to get tired. You're not going to have that inspiration as you would for something you already enjoy. So if in fact your topic is freebies, it's best to go ahead when you go to YouTube, just type in freebies in there and watch the different videos, see if you see anyone that kind of stands out that you watch, and just try to see if you can find like some inspiration from their channels. The next step is deciding on which equipment you're going to use for your videos. First, starting out on your channel and you're not exactly sure if YouTube is right for you just yet, I suggest that you stick to using your cell phone. For me, I have a Samsung Galaxy J7 and it works just fine. I love it. It has a little camera lighting on the front and very versatile. I can pretty much do it with anything. The next thing that I have is an adjustable tripod for my cell phone, as well as a microphone that I plug in, and you guys see it right here. It gives great audio, and these things I just purchased them for a small price on Amazon. To me, one of the other most important things is having your lighting. So behind me I have a large window over here, and up here in the front area I have a small little window as well. So I use those for some of my lights. The next important step is the filming and the uploading schedule. It is so important to make sure that you remain consistent in this area, because you don't want your viewers to get confused and not sure of exactly when you're coming back, when you're uploading, or anything. So when it comes to the whole filming aspect of it, what I like to do is I like to film either a day or two before the day that I upload, which is Wednesdays for my freebies and wins. Now, some days I might not have enough time, so I'll have to end up filming that video, editing that video, and posting that video on a Wednesday. I do not recommend this, guys. I'm telling you, it is a headache, because for even as small as those videos are, and sometimes my videos are not even over 3 minutes, it still takes a lot of time to edit that, because you want to make sure that you take out like a cat running past the video while you're filming, or people and noise or something coming from different areas. You just want to make sure that you're giving your audience your best. Another thing that's important when starting your YouTube channel is having your YouTube channel organized. When I come to someone's YouTube channel and I see that they have a beautiful bright banner, they have on that banner letting me know which days they upload, or which day and time that they upload, or they have their videos in a certain order, they have like a cute little introduction, little area in a paragraph telling me about their channel, it makes me feel like, oh, great, good. This person is really, really into doing YouTube. So that means that this person is going to be consistent and that I'm going to enjoy those videos. And that makes a person not only want to subscribe, but definitely come back and watch your videos. Oh God, this is so important, is to make sure that you know how to edit your videos and you know how to take thumbnail photos. So I literally have this right next to me. This is all my son eats, is Velveeta mac and cheese. Hashtag not sponsored. I wish it was, because I would save a whole lot of money. But if you ever notice, when I take my pictures, I'm always smiling. Usually smiling. I'm smiling. I'm holding my product. I'm showing it to you guys, and in big bold letters there's freebies and wins, and there's the date that I posted at freebies and wins. And the reason that I do this is because your thumbnail is the most important thing. When people see your thumbnail, that is what's going to draw them in from the other channels, and hopefully they'll click on yours. So a smile, trust me, a smile goes a long way, because you look happy, you look inviting. Your products, they're like, oh, this person is talking about things I could get for free. Click. This person has a standout photo. Click. This person is smiling. Click. Next thing is consistency. Now, if this is something that you truly enjoy doing, whether this is something that you're just doing as a hobby, or this is something that you want to turn into a career, always think of your audience when you're doing things. If it's something you're passionate about, make sure that you stick to uploading those videos. Make sure that you stick to filming them in the area that you film in, as far as making sure that every time you film, your background looks great. Every time you film, you look great, you know, in front of the camera and stuff. You don't have to be GQ, you know, everybody's not a Jackie Aina. Most important thing to remember, guys, is to just have fun. If you say that this is your hobby, if you say that you love this niche, then it shows. It's gonna show. So you make sure that you remain consistent. You make sure that you keep your subscribers in mind when you are doing videos. You make sure that you stick to your topics and not try to go and veer off too far, because you have to remember whatever pulled those people in is what's gonna keep them there. Honestly, I think the most fearful thing about starting a YouTube channel is getting that first video out of the way. Once you get that first video out of the way, you are like, okay, whew. I mean, I'm going to be honest. Maybe the first or second, maybe third video, I was looking a hot mess. And I was too close. I was like this. My daughter, she laughed at me for, and God, she laughed at me for the longest. She was like, Mom, why are you so close to the camera like that? She was like, you're like this. I didn't realize I was looking like Frankenstein. Another thing is to ignore the naysayers, guys. Ignore the naysayers. It's crazy. And this is the honest to God truth, I've literally had people tell me that my niche is boring. They can't believe that I would start a YouTube channel. That is so corny. Why are you doing this? Isn't that greedy? You seem greedy. Why are you getting these things in the mail and talking about it? That seems conceited. Seriously? Seriously. Companies are dying for people to talk about their stuff, to get these products. I think I quieted some of the naysayers when companies started coming to me. And what people have to realize is that these companies, that's what they want. They want you to talk about their products. They want you to be excited. They want you to share it with everybody else. They want you to have these multiple social media platforms to talk about it on, because this is where the money is. Like, again, I just mentioned macaroni and cheese on the video camera and I showed it to you guys. Do you know that there's somebody out there that's going to go buy some Velveeta because they're like, I want some. It looks so good. Oh my God. Oh my God, mac and cheese. Thing is that you have to remember, if people are going to talk about you no matter what you do, somebody's always going to have something to say. So you don't worry about them. You focus on you. So if this is what you want to do, you want to be a YouTuber, you want to talk about a certain thing, you want to get out there and have fun, you want to take in these things that these companies are sending you, don't be ashamed. Have fun. Enjoy it. I'm 36 years old. I'm not 18 years old doing this YouTube thing. I'm 36 years old. I'm enjoying this. This is my hobby. There's nothing wrong with me sitting down in front of a camera showing other people how they can get a deal. So guys, if you are interested in starting a YouTube channel, I hope that these tips have helped you out a lot, because seeing others and watching their how-to videos definitely helped me, and it inspired me to make one of my own to share with you. Well guys, that is it for today. Thank you so much. And guys, I will see you all next Wednesday with more freebies and wins. Guys, enjoy the rest of your week and I will talk to you again soon. Bye. You got this shit knocking low.